Hey guys, welcome back. It's your boy Paul C707 coming at you with another video. So this is going to be part 2 of our mystery unboxing from the Big Pop Shop over here in Elk Grove. So my boy Revolution Gaming, he got some really good pulls. This is going to be my turn. If I can find the blade. Oh, here you go. Alright, so 1 of 3 guys. This is my turn now. This is going to be my pull. Let's see what we got. It's pretty exciting. My first time doing a mystery unboxing. So what did I get? So I got prints. Oh, nice. Cool. I don't have this one. Pretty cool. I dig it. It's minty fresh. I take them. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. So this is our President's Day mystery unboxing. So these are the very last 5 mystery unboxings. So we pretty much took them all. So here is 2 of 3. Man, I see no sticker yet. Waiting on that sticker. So what do I got here? Oh, cool. George Jetson. I actually wanted him, to believe it or not. It's a common, but you know what? It's not bad because I actually wanted him. So it's actually a good pull for me. All right, guys. Let's see, man. That's 2 of 3. Let's see if I can get something with a sticker at least. Alright guys. Last one up. 3 of 3. Part 2 of our mystery unboxing. And what did I get? Oh great. Queen Elizabeth II.
Nice.
It's a common, but cute. I mean, I don't have this pop, so yeah. Well guys, that actually concludes our mystery unboxing part 2 of 2. Thanks for tuning in. This is your boy Paul C707 signing off, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. So if you're ever in the Elk Grove area, check out Angel, the owner shop, Big Pop Shop. Alright guys, see y'all in the next video. Take care.